Wearing History Sewing 101, this time we're doing covered buttons with a Dritz Button Cover Kit. You can grab these at a craft store, also online. I'll post a link below. Included are all these little things. There's a plastic rubber bit, there is a blue stopper, and there are backs with a shank like this and also a domed button cover. You want to take that and make sure it fits through the buttonhole with enough ease after you've attached your fabric. So don't make it too tight. Cut some scraps of the fabric that you want to match. Try to cut it on grain, but if you don't, it's really not that big of a deal. Now grab the little plastic rubber bit, like this, and you're going to push the square into the mold. You want to do it towards the center of your scrap. Then grab the domed button cover, the top part, and you're going to put this inside of that little mold thingy. Don't know the real name, sorry guys. After it's in, it should look like this. Make sure it's all the way at the bottom. You're going to cut off the extra fabric, but before you do, use your fingers to make sure that you have no extra little tucks around the fabric there. You can pull it on the bias so that it fits in nicely. And again, make sure it's at the bottom. Then cut around it. I found the space that they gave me for the mold, the rim of it, to be just about right to give you enough to tuck inside. If the ends are too long, it'll make it very difficult to put the end on the back, especially if your fabrics are thick. So now I'm pushing it towards the inside. And it will look like that when it's towards the inside. Then grab the back. I'll focus a little, sorry guys. Grab the back with the shank. Push it in with your fingers just to get it started. Then you have your stopper. Push that, usually on a hard surface like a table. Push it down with your fingers. If that doesn't work and it feels like it's not quite getting in there, you can tap it really gently with a little hammer. You don't want to do it too hard because that can distort the button. This is what it should look like when it is done. There's the shank. It's all enclosed. There's no raw edges. Pop it out of the mold and your covered button looks like this. Thanks for watching. You can find my patterns on Wearing History on Etsy, also wearinghistory.clothing. Follow me for more tutorials.